talking about earlier about washing the hands. So it is okay to have a washing the hands cup in the bathroom, just not say the blessing inside the bathroom. Wait till we step outside. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And then as far as like you having an office job or something like that, and you don't have a cup with like a water bottle or a little water jug suffice, can you do that? Or does it
Um,
have to be a cup?
okay. So let's answer this question. So water bottle, there is a problem, but because of why? Because it's the neck is too narrow, right? It's better to use a cup, even plastic cup or any cup, whatever cup you have, and so you pour it in the cup, even if it's not enough water. So you can put you can pour water 3 times or 5 times, whatever you need. If you have a smaller cup, there is no problem. And then, of course, you're not allowed to even not only to talk, speak in the bathroom, but even to think the words of the Torah in the bathroom. Forget about talking, even to think the words of the Torah. So you have to step out, right? And if if it smells in the bathroom, from from the bathroom, so you have to step at least 8 feet from the place when the smell stops. Sometimes it smells in the bathroom. Okay. So, but as we explained before, so if you're somewhere on a highway, forget about office. You're somewhere on a highway. There is nothing. There is no cup, and you don't have cup in the car. You don't have anything. So we said open 1 time, right? Water, shut it off, right on the right hand, on left hand, on right, on left. So every time the water should come from the faucet by your involvement, but your physical action, and then there is no problem. So it's like a washing, regular washing, even if it has like this what is it, electronics, right? You have like a sensor. You put your hand under the faucet, it went on, you take off one, so you can pause. There is no problem. There is no time limit until which you have to finish washing of your hands.